Welcome back, guys. On this episode of Inspiration Nation, we are going to be doing the first modification to Wesley's truck, and we still haven't decided on a name. So again, put it in the comment section what we should name it. But it's the eBay cold air intake. And if you have found yourself here because you bought the eBay cold air intake and said, hey, it don't have any directions, you're welcome, because Wesley bought it and said it didn't come with no directions, which give us the perfect opportunity to show you guys how to install the very, very simple cold air intake on the old Chevy Silverado. Now, the cool thing about Wesley's truck here is it is completely unmolested.
Sweet Jesus.
Everything is there. It's gonna come in a box that is neatly packaged from China, probably. You're gonna make sure you got an elbow. Make sure you got your clamps. You should have 4 clamps. And make sure you have the straight silicone reducer piece. Then you're gonna have the plastic velocity coupler for the inside of the filter. You should have a chrome shiny pipe. And you should have, move the bubble wrappies. Hardware.
Gotta have the hardware.
And there you go. These are the heat shieldings to kind of make like a makeshift air box. Now, to make it easy, first thing you're going to do is undo your bolts here on the top cover for your air box. You're going to undo this guy right here on your throttle body, right? And probably best to undo this one here, because we're going to have to use your mass airflow sensor, right? So you're going to use this. Everything else is going bye-bye. Always be careful of your plastic clips because they're 25 years old.
Let's be honest.
We're reusing this.
The box is full.
That's
like
100% a rat's nest. Now we got to get this bad boy out. It looks like there's going to be some clips and stuff from the bottom. By the way, we've been at this for like going on 4.5, 5 years now. And if you haven't subscribed, we do a lot of shenanigans. This year just happens to be truck year, so hit that subscribe button. The one thing I've noticed that's kind of self-explanatory, but there's a long end and a short end. Make sure the short end goes onto the throttle body. That way you got enough clearance on your fan shroud. And then your little crooked end is going to go into the long end. You're going to have something like this. And it's looking like this tab is made perfectly for this clip here. Oh, yeah.
That's a lot more room.
I vote we don't put that back in.
That's a lot more air.
That don't go back in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are making an executive decision. That is not going back in. Oh my God, look how nice it fits. Big old hole down there. That's a lot of room for a turbo kit.
Mm-hmm.
These little guys and little nuts are going to mount those two together. I'll go grab a Phillips head here. You rough start the Phillips heads there. Going for a turbo. That was fast. These Bronc boots make you run faster. Now we're going to install this little rubber isolator bushing. Install it on the front first. Got this all the way hushed in. That down there.
Now, before you put your filter on, don't forget these little rubber gaskets.
You remember your flow when you put that back on stays the way it should be. Like that. This is how you're gonna assemble your situation. Put this guy on loose and then find it into place. Remember, all this stuff fits a little off on the American trucks, but the Chinese trucks, it goes right on. Now there's only one thing left to do. Wesley, do you want me to start it while you? It's your truck. I'm gonna start it. Give me the keys.
Did it die again?
All the way down.
It's been charged. Oh, you know, it might be loose. This lawnmower battery that came with it.
Before you buy, you know, a battery, you buy a cold air intake. It's priority, sir.
I know what's wrong with it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
You ain't got a lawnmower battery I can borrow?
No, I have to jump my lawnmower off. Oh, I think we pair that with some exhaust on this bad boy, and she is gonna sound off. Well, there you have it. That is the simple instruction on how to install your eBay cold air intake on the, what, 99 to 2007 Chevy Silverado or GMC. It's probably the same one, but remember, it fits close. But on those Chinese trucks, it fits perfect.